How's it going, guys? It's Aaron from Big V's Plumbing. Over here, behind us, we have a excavator. We have a sewer main dig up we're doing here on a 3-inch ABS main line. Basically, what happened to theirs is they have a depression in their concrete driveway. So what happened was it actually collapsed the pipe into a taco shape, not making anything flow and just stopping everything they use on their toilets and stuff. So right now we're just breaking up the concrete, and now we're just gonna, after that, we're gonna dig it up and make a repair on a 4-foot section of the pipe, and then backfill, compact, and get everything going to where they can use their restrooms again.